All right, trying to figure out some noise my engine's making here. Here it is. Has 300,000 miles on it, so go figure it's gonna, make some noise. But here it is. I don't know, 30 degrees outside, cold startup. I don't know how much you can hear inside the engine bay or inside the passenger compartment, but so is that rod knock? Is that piston slap, valve clatter, everything? I'm not sure. Seems to make the racket with all cylinders, so, well, at least on this cold startup here. But anyways, figured maybe you guys could give me a hand here. Starting to sound better as it's warming up. Here's a picture of this fine race machine. A whopping 85 horsepower. Do the quarter mile in about 47 seconds.